Stay tuned to us. WQJP Television presents Thomas and Friends production. Wooden railroad layouts. This was a bridge and tunnel set in 2000 from a yearbook. It contains everything. Bridges and tunnels, I have that. It's for the first time I have History of Thomas Wooden Railway. Suspension Bridge I have from the 2001 yearbook. From the graduation, I got the action switch track I have. Action switch track, I have this. I never experienced this from the Giant Eagle grocery store from Australia. He's a kid. A daycare Eagle's Nest. Eagle's Nest, not sponsored. Never sponsored a toll from the United Kingdom. I remember seeing the children. The train table used to be, I don't know. Today, this is to give a second chance. This episode of Wooden Railroad Layouts for myself. This is the good and the bad and the ugly bridge and tunnel set. Let's get started. Parts list. The bridge and tunnel set. Straight track, clickety clack, 2 inch, 3 4 inch, 0 2 8-inch straight pieces. Curve track, 7 and 8. Switch track, 2 male and 1 female. Switch track, 1 male. Action switch track, have 1 T switch. Ascending track need 3. Ascending track, 9 risers. Adapters need 2 male adapters. Special track need 1 female bumper. Bridges and tunnels, I got the 1 Soda Bay Bridge, 2 span arch viaduct, arch stone bridge, the Lytton Bridge, suspension bridge, timber covered bridge, and single stone tunnel. I have those for the first time in 2000. Building the layout. Got all the track. Ready to start building. The blueprint 2001. Pause the video using construction paper. Get image. I did too. So I used a suspension bridge, flexible track, in 1898. I have this before. I got that for Christmas back in 2020. In 1898, I got the suspension bridge, special pieces to be this thing. I got the suspension bridge in 1898. The Soda Bay Bridge, arch viaduct. I got those before. With arch stone bridge, I have those. I make clickety clack tracks. Need a switch T track. That's why I have this. Wooden trains get directions. I got the Lytton Bridge in 2001. Has a red knob. Doesn't have a green roof. It's 2 moving crossing gates. Used to be that thin, you know. Maybe the arch viaduct and curve viaduct. I'll have to get those in 1898. Especially. I'm using having the 1894 timber covered bridge. I used to have that for my wooden trains go in and out of the tunnel. So that's the way the bridge and tunnel set. And Lytton Bridge, move crossing gates. Using my clickety clack tracks. The buffer, dead end. Like a magic buffer. So that's the way you can build a bridge and tunnel set. Got all my clickety-clack rails, all my favorites, 9 risers. It's pretty cool. Build a bridge and tunnel set. When I finish, it'll look like this. Now it's time to decorate. Decorate the layout. Once again, accessories. I have those. This became accessories. Decorate the layout. Railroad crossing sign. 2 signals. 2 seasonal trees. 1 evergreen tree I have. Which goes to Topham Hatt and Engineer. Also came with a set. Engines and rolling stock, I have that. Thomas. Neil. Scardoey. Troublesome Truck. A breakdown train, Flap It. And Fred, the orange coal car. The details in place. There's a bridge and tunnel set on the playboard. Now we'll take a closer look. Good and the bad and the ugly. Bridge and tunnel set layout. I used to do that. Review. Remember when I say bridge and tunnel set to the height? Yeah, I'm not kidding about this. The wide variety of bridges and tunnels I have. Wooden railway. In fact, this thing had bridge and tunnel. Year 2000 from a yearbook. A mountain tunnel. A drawbridge I have. A giant eco store. Food and drag from Australia. There's a daycare system. There's the city of Australia. It's a far country. I mentioned bridges and tunnels here in downtown Australia. Anyway, bridge and tunnels used to be having space comfortably on a play table. The set wasn't from the risers, make it shape and size. We got a suspension bridge, 1988 in the background. Awesome show on it. Bridges, season 3 was restored. I changed everything. The single stone tunnel I have. I don't get a center track or a switch track. It blocks the Lytton Bridge and place in front. Move the inner mine like this thing. There. Is that better? It's a suspension bridge and arch stone bridge. Use my wooden trains across the suspension bridge with potential. I use Bauji double-decker bus under the suspension bridge because I play a wooden remake. It's difficult. After track, it's a little disappointed. Arch stone bridge. Use my rotary vehicles to get under the arch stone bridge. Use my wooden trains going over and under this arch stone bridge. Bridge and tunnel set has 2 circuits, 1 loop, 1 dead end. The trains travel the bridge and tunnel, easily get an inner circuit. I have 2 circuits to another. T-switch is amazing. Use my wooden trains as directions. Must have elements used to be. So to have pretty good fun. Thomas using a troublesome truck and Fred flapping from a breakdown train. It cannot access building complete. Bridge and tunnel set was in 2000 or in 2001 from the yearbooks. There's a building destination used to be a bridges and tunnels. Building destinations I have. I use Scardoey, pull Fred, orange coal car. In 2002 and in 2003 in 2007 Infinity for USA, the pitch for Australia, Maybe. Conclusion. What? What say you? What do you think about that bridge and tunnel set? What are the things you like about it? And the things you don't like about it? What else going to cover next? There's a comment section. Just subscribe. More videos. Thanks for watching for Water Layouts. And that's about it, man. Water Layouts. In Baker. In Baker. In Baker's the one from United Kingdom. UK Finnan. Thomas Wooden Railway. Thank you for watching. That was last year, 2022. WJP Television. Windmills, Indiana. Stay tuned to us.